So this is what my hair looks like in an afro state. Typically once a year I will at least pick out my hair just to see how long it's gotten, what it actually looks like as an afro. Now in this video I'm just gonna see what my hair looks like when it reverts back from an afro to curls. So I won't have too much commentary. So if you do end up enjoying this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Who knows where the sun goes? I'll sleep at night when I'm alone. I don't need your permission to be myself when I'm alone. So I'm just gonna hop on each time after I do a step like washing, adding conditioner, adding leave-in conditioner, anything like that, just to see where my curls are after each step. So after just adding water to my hair, this is what my hair is starting to look like. You can see the curls are starting to come back. Not as defined as they usually are, but you can definitely start to see the curl pattern coming back. For the shampoo, I'm going in with the Briogeo Charcoal and Coconut Micro Exfoliant Shampoo. So after I fully washed my hair and started rinsing it out, this is what my curls are starting to look like. You can see that my curl pattern is almost back to how it was before I fully picked out my hair. So really, it just took water and shampoo to almost put me back to where I was before. Next, I go in with the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask and use that as my deep conditioner. As always, I wash the deep conditioner out on cold water, and this is what my hair is looking like. My hair is completely back to how it used to be. All my curls are back. Now it's time for me to just apply products like my leave-in and gel, and I will be set with this wash and go. So this is my hair after adding in the product. I used the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture. Now my hair is definitely back to where it was before I picked out my hair. So I'm looking back to normal now with the curls. And this is the final look. So my hair is back to normal, going from afro to curls. So if you did end up enjoying this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
What the f***?
So sick of competition.